You can work out like crazy, you can count calories all day, but if your body isn't ready to burn fat, it is not going to happen, period. Most people fail to lose fat not because they are lazy or eating too much, but because their system is clogged, confused, and inflamed. Secret number 1. Perfecting bowel movement. This might sound weird, but your fat loss starts in the bathroom. If you're not having smooth, full bowel movements at least once or twice a day, your system is backed up. And when your system is backed up, your body says, hold on to everything, including fat. Digestion must be clean for fat to burn efficiently. So let me talk about what helped me. A fiber-rich morning smoothie is chia seeds, spinach, and black beans. Drinking lemon, ginger, and cucumber water after waking up. Avoiding heavy meals late at night. When my bowel movements improved, I noticed the positive results faster. And this is one of the big reasons why some people always stay fit. Secret number 2. Food timing and fat-burning foods. Next, not just what you eat, but when and how you eat. Here's what changed everything for me. I moved my last meal earlier, 6 or 7 p.m. latest. I built my meals around digestion-friendly foods like steamed greens and vegetables, fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut, lean proteins like sea bass, salmon, sardines, chicken breast, and quality rice. I started my mornings with a cleansing smoothie, handful of spinach, blueberries, cherries, a little ginger, avocado, kiwi, water, kefir, or light coconut water. This smoothie has a great creamy texture and it is delicious. This combo wakes the body up gently, sets the gut in motion, and keeps your metabolism active all day. Fat loss doesn't start with skipping meals. It all starts with feeding your body at the right time and using the right tools. And here's something most people overlook. Eat slowly and actually chew your food. After 25 years of mastering digestion, that might be one of the most powerful tips I can share. Secret number 3. Right kind of exercise. Now let's talk movement. Here's what doesn't work long term. Going all in with high intensity workouts when you're inflamed. Forcing yourself to train on low energy or poor sleep. The key is train your body to feel safe while moving. That's how it starts releasing stored fat. What worked best for me? Morning stretching or walking before eating. Fasted movement helps. Short but consistent workouts, 20 to 30 minutes, focused on form, not punishment. Body weight resistance, rebounding, or yoga to activate lymphatic flow. When your body feels safe and supported, it stops clinging to fat. So to sum it up, these 3 things made more of a difference than any diet ever did. 1. Fixing my digestion and daily elimination. 2. Eating the right foods at the right time. 3. Doing the kind of exercise that builds trust, not stress. If your body feels calm, clear, and balanced, it finally lets go of what it doesn't need, and that includes excess fat. You don't need more punishment, you need to align with your body. If this is connected with you, share it with someone who's tired of chasing diets that don't work. And if you want to see exactly what I eat in a day, or my go-to smoothie and stretching routine, that's in the next video. I hope you found value in this video. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.